Good morning. As the sun rises over the horizon, it illuminates a new era in how we power our world. Today, let's talk about the invisible force shaping our future. Wind. It's a resource that's always been with us, yet only recently have we begun to truly harness its full potential on a massive scale. For centuries, wind powered ships that explored new worlds and mills that ground grain for entire communities. It was the original engine of progress, long before electricity or engines. Now, in the 21st century, wind is powering entire cities, lighting up homes, businesses, and industries with clean, renewable energy. Offshore wind turbines, giants rising from the sea, capture strong, steady winds to generate clean electricity. These colossal machines are engineering marvels, designed to withstand the harshest ocean conditions while quietly producing power day and night. The UK, with its long, windy coastline and deep maritime heritage, leads the world in this field. British innovation and investment have made these waters home to some of the largest offshore wind farms on the planet. These wind farms are more than machines. They're symbols of progress and a cleaner future. They stand as beacons of hope, showing what's possible when technology and nature work together. Offshore wind is at the heart of the energy transition, moving us away from polluting fossil fuels. Each turbine helps reduce our reliance on coal and gas, cutting emissions and fighting climate change. Unlike coal or gas, wind power produces no greenhouse gases, giving us cleaner air and a healthier planet. It means clearer skies, safer communities, and a better world for future generations. For the UK, investing in offshore wind means energy independence and a commitment to environmental goals. It's about securing our own energy supply, creating jobs, and leading the world in green technology. Every new turbine brings us closer to a secure, sustainable energy future. Each installation is a step forward, a promise kept to future generations. These structures represent innovation, hope, and a collective decision to invest in solutions that benefit both our economy and environment. They are the result of teamwork, vision, and a shared belief in a better tomorrow. The journey is long, but with each spinning blade, we move closer to a brighter tomorrow, one powered by the endless energy of the wind and the determination of people who believe in change.
To really understand the significance of this news, let's get to know the two key players involved, RWE and KKR. Their partnership is making headlines, but who exactly are they? And why does their collaboration matter so much in the world of renewable energy? RWE is Germany's largest utility company. For decades, it was known for running traditional coal and gas power plants. But in recent years, RWE has transformed itself into a global leader in renewable energy, especially in offshore wind. Today, RWE operates some of the world's biggest wind farms, and its expertise stretches from planning and construction to day-to-day operations. The company's shift from fossil fuels to renewables is a major part of Europe's green transition.
KKR, on the other hand, is a giant in the world of global investment. Unlike RWE, KKR isn't an energy company. It's a powerhouse in private equity and asset management, with a presence in dozens of countries. KKR manages billions of dollars for investors around the world. Their goal? To find smart, stable opportunities that deliver strong returns, like investing in green infrastructure and renewable energy projects, which are increasingly seen as both profitable and essential for the future.
RWE brings deep technical expertise to the table. They know how to plan, build, and operate complex wind farms in challenging environments, both on land and at sea. Their engineers and technicians are at the forefront of renewable technology. KKR, meanwhile, brings the financial muscle. They provide the billions needed to fund the construction of these massive projects, making it possible to turn ambitious ideas into reality.
This partnership is a perfect match. RWE's engineering know-how meets KKR's capital and investment expertise. Together, they can take on projects that would be too risky or expensive for either company alone. Building massive wind farms costs billions of euros and takes years of planning and construction. It's a scale that's hard for any single company to manage on its own, no matter how big. With KKR's investment, they gain a share of ownership and future profits, while RWE can move forward faster, spreading the financial risk and accelerating the pace of development.
By joining forces, RWE and KKR can deliver ambitious renewable energy projects that neither could achieve alone. Their collaboration unlocks new possibilities for the industry.
This kind of collaboration is essential for making large-scale green energy a reality, not just in Europe, but around the world. It's a model for how technical expertise and financial investment can work hand in hand to accelerate the global energy transition and fight climate change. By joining forces, RWE and KKR are setting a new standard for global renewable partnerships, showing what's possible when industry leaders collaborate. Their combined strengths ensure these projects succeed, paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future for everyone.
Let's zoom in on the Norfolk Vanguard East and West wind farms, set to be among the world's largest. These ambitious projects are not just impressive in scale, but also in their vision for a cleaner, greener future. They represent a major leap forward in the UK's commitment to renewable energy and are poised to set new standards for offshore wind power worldwide. Located 50-80 miles off Norfolk's coast, these sites were chosen for their powerful, reliable winds. The distance from shore means minimal impact on local communities and wildlife, while maximizing energy capture from the North Sea's steady breezes. It's a location that perfectly balances environmental responsibility with engineering opportunity.
When complete, they'll generate 3.1 gigawatts, enough to power 3 million UK homes. That's a staggering amount of clean electricity, helping to reduce carbon emissions and dependence on fossil fuels. That's nearly all of Greater Manchester and Birmingham combined. Imagine entire cities powered by the wind. This is the scale we're talking about.
Building these farms is a massive, multi-year effort, with full operation expected by 2029 and 2030. The process involves hundreds of engineers, technicians, and support staff, all working together in challenging offshore conditions to bring this vision to life.
The total investment? Over $15 billion, covering everything from planning to installation. This funding supports not just the turbines themselves, but also the infrastructure, research, and technology needed to make it all possible. RWE and KKR's partnership is crucial to making this happen. Their combined expertise and resources are driving the project forward, ensuring it meets the highest standards of safety, efficiency, and sustainability.
These projects are a long-term commitment to the UK's energy future. They're designed to operate for decades, providing stable, renewable power and supporting the country's net zero goals. They'll deliver clean power, jobs, and innovation for decades. Thousands of new roles will be created, from construction to ongoing maintenance, boosting local economies and inspiring the next generation of engineers.
The scale is breathtaking, with turbines stretching as far as the eye can see, each one a symbol of progress and possibility. But so is the impact, transforming the UK's energy landscape and setting a powerful example for the world. This is what the future of power looks like: clean, sustainable, and built to last for generations.
Here's the deal. In January 2026, RWE agreed to sell a 50% stake in the Norfolk projects to KKR. Now both companies will jointly develop, build, and operate the wind farms.
KKR paid about $1.8 billion for its half, just the start, as both will invest billions more to complete construction.
The market loved the news. RWE's shares jumped to a 15-year high. This partnership reduces RWE's risk and frees up capital for more green projects.
The deal is expected to close in summer 2026, locking in RWE and KKR as equal partners. It's a powerful vote of confidence in the UK's offshore wind industry. This deal uses a common industry model called farming down.
Think of RWE as a farmer, doing the hard early work to make the project valuable. Once ready, they sell a stake to an investor like KKR.
RWE gets a cash infusion to fund new projects, while KKR invests in a de-risked, ready-to-build wind farm.
For KKR, it's a stable, long-term investment with predictable returns.
Farming down lets developers innovate and investors provide capital, fueling rapid growth in renewables.
It's a win-win. More projects get built, and the clean energy transition accelerates.
This model ensures ambitious projects don't stall for lack of funding. It's how tomorrow's green infrastructure gets built, one partnership at a time. This deal fits perfectly into the UK's ambitious green energy strategy. The government aims for 50 gigawatts of offshore wind by 2030, a huge leap from today.
Projects like Norfolk Vanguard are essential to hitting that target, adding 3.1 gigawatts alone.
Strong political support and clear goals give companies and investors confidence to commit billions.
For the UK, this isn't just about climate. It's about energy security and self-sufficiency.
More domestic wind power means less reliance on imported gas and oil. The benefits are huge: lower emissions, cleaner air, and thousands of new jobs.
The Norfolk projects will support jobs in manufacturing, construction, and long-term operations.
The UK's green energy push is driving both environmental progress and economic growth. It's building a stronger, more sustainable nation for the future. This isn't RWE's first big partnership. It's part of a proven strategy.
RWE develops world-class wind projects, then brings in top investors to fund construction. Last year, RWE sold a 49% stake in 2 major wind farms to Norway's sovereign wealth fund for $1.4 billion.
These deals bring in capital, reduce risk, and validate RWE's expertise.
Attracting blue-chip investors like KKR shows RWE's reputation as a global leader.
The capital raised is reinvested in new projects, creating a cycle of growth.
RWE keeps its pipeline full, constantly developing and partnering to expand its green portfolio. This repeatable model is driving RWE's rapid expansion in renewables.
When deals like this happen, company leaders' words reveal their vision.
RWE's leadership is committed to driving the energy transition.
KKR's Vincent Policard says this investment shows their belief in UK renewables and offshore wind's central role.
For KKR, it's not just a financial move. It's a strategic bet on the UK's energy future. KKR has invested over $31 billion in renewables worldwide, and this deal is a major endorsement of the UK market.
For RWE, partnering with KKR validates their strategy and brings deep financial expertise.
Together, they're a powerful team, fully aligned to deliver the Norfolk wind farms for decades to come.
What does this mean for the UK and the world? It's about more than just business.
These wind farms will power 3 million homes, reducing reliance on imported gas and stabilizing energy bills.
The project creates thousands of jobs during construction and for decades of operation, especially in coastal communities.
Most importantly, every megawatt generated means less carbon in the atmosphere.
This partnership is a blueprint for the new energy economy, where expertise and capital build a sustainable future. It's progress, hope, and a decisive step in the global energy transition. As the Norfolk turbines rise, they'll stand as symbols of ingenuity and our commitment to a cleaner world. The future is being built, one wind farm at a time.